What is happening, gang? You already know who it is, your girl Dreamchaser Gio, man. Back with another banger, man. Today I'm about to get one of the dopest mods I've seen personally. A lot of people seen personally, and I never had it on my car. So today, like right now, I'm about to get it installed on my car, man. This mod is a must-have mod. It's history behind this mod. It's so much, like, it's gonna shock y'all. But hey, I'm surprised. Like, I'm able to really do it. I'm happy. I'm excited, and most of all, it fits me. Like, it's a must-have mod. You know what I'm saying? I am at the infamous Mod FX Customs. If you didn't know, if you didn't see the previous little preview, rewind it, go back, and then come right back. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, just replay the video. Don't even rewind it. But with that being said, y'all stay tuned. I got something to show y'all. About to get this right here taken off. Let me back up. Yeah, this week. Alright, guys, so what we doing now, we about to remove this spoiler and put a different spoiler on here. Ooh-wee, this is about to be so freaking clean. I'm telling y'all. Alright, guys, so my previous spoiler is right here. As you can see, we're gonna clean this off because this is unacceptable.
Damn, make it not even want to drive it no more.
Especially for the Dreamchaser mission. This is unacceptable. But we're gonna clean it off, y'all. That just shows how long that spoiler was on there and how efficient, how packed down it was. Getting all that dirt up off of there. Oh, that looks so weird without spoiling. So weird without a spoiler. It's crazy how they change the look of the car. It's crazy how it changed, how it looks. I'm telling you, just get it. It's crazy. As you can see, got thing 2 up here with me, man. T-Toner. Man, this thing clean. And I'm telling you, that black on that white, they set it off for real. 6 pistons on that thing too. Replacing that spoiler with the spoiler wicker bill. Y'all see that DRE? That's all y'all gonna see right now. That's it. Man, y'all see what's going on, man. That's about to set the car up again. Man, look, this new look on the back, I'm telling y'all gonna be like, ooh, Gio, you did it, yeah. I did another one, back with another dope mod. For real, I do not know where T-Toner is. Her car is here, but I do not. She disappeared. I guess she probably don't want to be on film today. Well, right now, we might catch her soon though. But hey, wait till y'all see this. guys. I'm telling you, I wasn't gonna do it because I don't even know. I was being like difficult and indecisive, but I'm glad that I decided to go ahead and get it installed. Just man, it's me. It's me, for real.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't.
But not finished with this one. I'm not finished. Gotta wait on one more part to come in to complete it. But even without that, man, this thing looks sick. So you mean to tell me this whole time T was in her car? That car was not on. Maybe she was asleep. It is kind of early for her to be up. That thing right there, nasty. That thing is nasty. Alright guys, so it is history behind this wicker bill. It's a guy, cool people, good person. His name is Legendary Dreamchaser. When I found out that he was getting rid of his charger, I was like excited. He was the first person I ever saw to have the light up wicker bill, and then it said Dreamchaser. Like, I'm like, yo, that is so dope. Finding out he's gonna get rid of his car and get something else, I'm gonna show y'all what he got. That thing nasty, man. Okay, I see you, Legendary boy. Come through then. I was like, yo, I definitely gotta grab that. I hit him up. I actually ran into him a couple times here at Mod Effects, and he's like, yo, when I get home, check if I got it. Probably a couple hours later, he hits me up. Hey, I still got the wicker bill. I'm like, what? I definitely got to get that. So we linked up. I was able to get it. It was smooth. Like, that's real love, appreciation. He wasn't saying, no, you know, I said this was my, you know, set off moment. This is my trend, blah, blah, blah. He was real. You know what I'm saying? Legendary. Dream chaser. Dream chaser, not stingy. We give ideas. We share ideas. We motivate. Everything. You know what I'm saying? So I got the wicker bill from him, and now it's on my car, man. I'm excited. Hey, man, major salute to Legendary, man. I do appreciate that, man. I really do, because, man, when you had it, it set it off. So now that I see it on my car and seeing how it's just looking right now and it's not even lit up yet, I can only imagine, bro. For real. Alright guys, so here is the finished product, man. Dream Chaser, man. Shout out to the team Mod Effects for putting this nice little wicker bill on. It does light up, however, I gotta wait on the remote to come in. But stay tuned, because I'll keep y'all updated when I do get the remote for it to come in. It's the guy who installed it for me. He made it happen. So yeah, man. Y'all leave comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. I'm loving it. It ain't even lighting up yet. It looked like it's lit up right now. But leave a comment for real. Always chase your dreams for real. Your girl dream chasing Geo is out.
I'm chasing dreams. I'm chasing dreams. I'm chasing dreams. I'm chasing dreams. I'm chasing dreams.